Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to refer a friend and earn a $50 credit. So when you first log in, what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see the quick links box. From here, you want to click on refer a friend. And then what you'll do is you will go ahead and there's going to be a link here that is generated and you will copy it. So you can just click this button right here and that will automatically highlight everything, and then you can right click it and click copy. And then what you want to do with this link is you want to send it to the friend that you are going to refer. Once they click that link, they will be prompted to open an account. So they'll just go ahead and walk through the process of opening the account. The $50 account establishment fee will be waived. Once their account is opened, they actually have to fund their account. So this is required in order for you to get that $50 credit. So they have to open an account and also fund it. Then once it's funded, we can search our system, which we do once a week manually, and we can see which accounts have used this referral program. And once we see this account, we will go ahead and add that $50 credit to your account. And that's how you refer a friend.